Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone A60 with magnetic particle design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8. Along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Gold plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.71 by 76.02 by 7.68 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options midnight purple, ripple blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS L1, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO A60 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB. Storage variant at 5,490,000 Vietnamese dong, and around $217 and 59,999 Pakistani rupees, and 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 6,490,000 Vietnamese dong, and around $256 and 71,999 Pakistani rupees, and 21,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO A60 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.